What's up guys, it's LeetCoder. This is LeetCode 54, Spiral Matrix, and boy do I have an absolutely insane solution for this problem. First I'll go through the normal solution and then we'll go to the insane one-liner. Okay, this problem basically asks you to do a spiral around the matrix here. So in this case, the output that it wants you to return is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 8, 7, 4, 5. So the way you code this is fairly straightforward. You have one big loop, and inside that loop, you have 4 separate loops. There's one loop that goes to the right, one loop that goes down, one loop that goes left, one loop that goes up, and then you reset some variables, and it repeats until the output array's length is equal to m times n. That's the normal algorithm, but let's see if we can do a crazy one-liner here. So first I'm going to type this out, and then we can go through what it means and how it works. So we're going to return matrix and list matrix pop 0 plus self spiral order of the zip of the matrix splatted reversed, and boom, that's it. So how does this work? Let's break it down. First, it returns the matrix and something else. So basically, if matrix is empty like this, then it's just going to return an empty array. Otherwise, it returns whatever's on the right side here. Okay, so what's on the right side? Well, this portion here returns the first row of the matrix. In this case, it'd be 1, 2, 3 at first. And then here's the tricky part. We do a recursive call to spiral order. So first our matrix looks like this. Then we pop off the first row and it becomes this. And then we do this operation here. So we add the result of this. Now, splatting the matrix, this essentially takes the matrix and converts it into 2 arrays in this case. So you'd have one array of 4, 5, 6, one array of 7, 8, 9. Then zip, all it does is it takes the first elements of both arrays and combines them, then takes the second, combines them, takes the third, combines them. So you would get 4, 7, 5, 8, and 6, 9. And then this just reverses the result. This actually becomes this. And now we do the same algorithm again. Okay, so matrix is not empty, so we continue on. And we now return the first row popped off. So we get rid of 6, 9 here. And then we do this algorithm on the right. So now we get 2 arrays, 5, 8, and 4, 7. We zip them together, so now we get 5, 4, and 8, 7, and then we just reverse it. So really we get 8, 7, and 5, 4. And again, we pop off the first row. So now we'll have 5, 4, and then we zip them together, and then we do the reverse. So we actually get 4 and 5. Then we pop off the final row again, and finally we just get 5. So you can see here what it's doing. It's popping off the first row and just rotating the matrix, and then popping off the first row again, rotating the matrix, popping off the first row again, rotate, pop off, rotate, pop off, and that's it. And we just return 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 8, 7, 4, and 5. So credit to Stefan Pochman for this solution. He was the original author of this. I just saw this and was mind blown at how elegant and clean this solution was. And that's it. So if you found this helpful or interesting, please give a like and a subscribe because it really helps the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you next time.